Hey y'all, it's Kiss. Welcome back. Today I want to show you the smallest emergency kit ever. So this is just, essentials until you can get somewhere else to get better. I don't know how else to say it, but you'll see what I mean. Like, this is just if you're carrying a small bag and you need a little emergency kit. This is to get by until you can get someplace else for whatever you need. I'm going to close the door. The washer's going. Okay, so most of this can probably be found at Dollar Tree. So y'all know that these little kiss locks, you can find them there all the time, and maybe even some that are a little bit bigger than this one now that I think of it, because this one might not have even come from Dollar Tree, but I know they have them all the time. I think I might have got this one from Shein a long time ago. I liked the print. But anyway, so, and I know everybody's necessities is a little different, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what some of mine are. So I'm using these compact click tampons. I like to carry these for bags because the stick part folds into the rest of it, and that saves a lot of space. I think these are Kotex. I have a stain remover wipe from Dollar Tree. These are huge, so I folded it in half. But if you can find the shout ones, it would fit a lot better. I have a liner. Let me get this out first. I have eye wash. That is Soothe brand, I think. A liner. I think this might be Kotex brand too. Honestly, Kotex is probably all I use. I have a Kleenex folded up, a Band-Aid. It's kind of folded down so it fits better. And you can also find the little snack size Ziploc bags, and that helps out a lot for packing things in small bags or pouches. So I've got all of my pills that would otherwise be loose in here, and I've got a couple of flossers right there too. Those are, I think they are Gum brand. You can get those at Walmart. So I've got the Pepto, Tylenol, Aleve. There is Imodium. There's Nurtec. Looks like that's about it. But you can also find those individual servings or individually wrapped, like Excedrin and stuff, at Dollar Tree, and Aleve and Advil and stuff like that too. So those are also handy if you don't need to carry as many pills. I have my nail clippers and a sweetener. You never know when you're not going to be able to find any. And my little scissors. So, that's it. I hope this gives y'all some ideas. So, I like these because, you can stuff it full and then you can still snap it shut and it'll stay rather than having to try to struggle with something getting caught in a zipper. And this will fit just about anywhere. This will fit in your pocket, in the pocket of another bag, or in a backpack, or whatever. So, I just thought it would be fun to show you my little smallest emergency kit ever. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see y'all soon. Bye.